Today we're going to be taking a look inside one of the brand new units in the Matchedash Lofts, downtown in Orillia, just steps from the waterfront and local shops, so stay tuned. Welcome to Unit 315 in the Matchedash Lofts. This is a 952 square foot, 1 bedroom plus den. It features 2 full bathrooms, brand new appliances, open concept kitchen and living area, as well as a 150 square foot terrace, and the unit is west facing, so lots of natural light. There is an in-suite laundry, and hope you enjoy the tour. Please like and subscribe if you got value from this video. If you are interested in looking at this unit or another unit in the Orillia area, please feel free to get in touch. My contact details are in the description.